At first glance, it doesn't look like much. It's a plastic pedestal that holds your laundry detergent container. It's got a seatbelt strap to keep it in place, which is useful when the container starts to get empty. But this product actually solves two major problems for me. One, it collects all those drips of laundry detergent that seep out. You know, those drips that end up all over the place on my washer and my shelving. And two, it collects all those drips of laundry detergent that seep out. Now I know that 1 and 2 are pretty much the same thing, but it's not. You see, I always wonder how much laundry detergent I'm losing over time. How much money does that amount to? Now, when the laundry detergent drips out, it actually drips into the cup. So in my mind, those drips falling into the cup actually saves me money. And it saves me from constantly having to clean up that mess. Hence, it's offering me two different solutions. Basically, it's a win-win. It's this guy. Thanks for watching. Hope this video has been helpful. And stay tuned for more helpful Amazon product videos.